Question number 2. Seeing the value of the digit at unit place, state which of the following can be square of a number. See, only after looking at the digit at unit place, or we can say ones place also, we have to say whether it can be square of a number. Okay. So before this, first I'll write here 0. Okay. And it is 1 square value we will get 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 4 square that is 16, 5 square that is 25, 6 square that is 36, 7 square that is 49, 8 square that is 64, 9 square that is 81. I'm not going to write here 10 square. That number is ends with a zeros. That number is already written here. Now see here 0, 1, 2 it is not there. Let me write here. After 2, 3 also which is not there. Yeah. Okay. 4 it is there. 5 it is there. 6 it is there. Okay. 7 also we can't see anywhere. 7, and there is no 8 also, and 9 it is there. Okay. And then 10 we will have the 0. Now look at this number is ends with the 1, so that is a possible. Okay. Now here is 2, which is not possible, as you are not getting anywhere when we will do the square of that number. No, the number is not ending with at units place with a 2, 3, 7 or 8, so this is not possible. Now 4 which is there, yes, and 8 not possible, and 9 which is there. Okay, so this is possible. So from this question, first, third and fifth answers. Question number 3. Squares of which of the following numbers will have 1 at their unit place? Okay, so when we will do the squares of these numbers, no, at the units place, or we can say ones place, which number will have a, which number it will end with the 1 digit at units place. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to make a square of these number. Okay, let's start doing that. In that question number 1 is 57. So when I'll do the square of this number, no, 57 square, at the number this ends with a 7. 7 sevens are 49. So here it is ends with the 9. So this is not correct answer for this. And when I'll do the square of 81 raised to the power 2, 1, when I'll multiply 2 times, no, it will ends with the 1 at its units place. This is correct. Now here 139 square, and here it is 9. When I'll multiply 2 times, no, 9 9s are 81 I'll get. So at the number is ends with what now? 1. Okay, now this is correct. And now see here 73 square, here it is number ends with a 9, and 64 square, here it is numbers ends with a 6. 4 4s are 16, and here second and third is only possible that the numbers, when we will do the square of these numbers, no, that numbers is ends with the 1 in its units place. Okay. Question number 5. Squares of which of the following numbers will not have 6 at their units place? This question is similar to this, but in this we were checking the 1 at their units place. Now we need to check a 6 at units place. Means which number will not have a 6, that we are going to mark as a answers here. 35. The number ends with a 5. 5 square, it is 25, and the number is ends with now 5 at its units place. Now second one is 23, and here it is 3. 3 3 is a 9. So number is ends with a 9 digit in its units place. Here it is 4 4 is a 16. So 6 comes in the units place. 6 6 is a 36. 6 comes in the units place. Now here 8 8 8 is a 64. So 4 comes in its units place. And the question what was that? Which number will not have a 6 at their units place? So 35, it doesn't have a 6 at units place. Similarly 23, and question number 5, that is 19. So answers for this question 1, 2 and 5th. Question number 6. Which of the following numbers will have 6 at their units place? See, in the question number 5th, what we have done, what we have checked, which number is not having a 6 at their units place. But here we are checking which will have a 6 at units place. Now see here 6 6 is 36. It means this square it is ends with a 6. Now 9 ends 81. No. 4 4 is 16. Yes, this number also ends with a 6 at units place. Now here it is 3 3 is a 9. No. And here it is 4 4 is a 16. Okay, so here it is question number 1, 3 and 5 are the answers. That numbers are ends with the 6 at unit their place. Okay, if a number ends with 3 zeros, how many zeros will its square have? For this we have a fifth property. What it says, if a number ends with a n zeros, its square ends with a 2n zeros. Okay, let me do and show you. So what is actually property says, if a number is ends with a n zeros, so how many zeros we are having? That is 3. That we can write n equals to 3. And the square of ends we are having formula, that is 2n. So 2 into n, that is 3. 3 to the 6. So now the square of the numbers will be having a 6 zeros. Only we need to make it a double. Question number 8. If the square of a number ends with the 10 zeros, how many zeros will the number have? See, when the number is having a number of zeros, to find out the square of that, what we have done? We have done multiply with numbers of zeros with the 2. But here, when the squares of a number ends with the 10 zero, and what will be the number having? So in that case, we need to divide 10 by 2. So 10 by 2, we will get 5. So in that case, it will be having a 5 zeros. Okay.